Fiber optic systems are the backbone of modern connectivity, providing lightning-fast and reliable internet for indigenous communities. This training will walk you through the planning, engineering, permitting, and construction phases for fiber projects. The planning phase begins with a thorough route analysis, determining the best method of installation for fiber based on the terrain, existing infrastructure, and community needs. During engineering, we design the network's layout, including splice points, termination hubs, and redundancy or diversity loops to ensure maximum efficiency and reliability. Permitting is critical. This phase includes securing right-of-way access, obtaining environmental clearances, and coordinating with utility providers to minimize disruption, as well as careful coordination with the tribe and the Bureau of Indian Affairs in many cases. Once permits are in place, construction begins. There are several methods to install fiber, each tailored to the unique needs of the site, specifically based on the terrain. Underground installation involves burying fiber cables in protective conduits to shield them from environmental damage and ensure long-term durability. Aerial installation uses existing utility poles to string fiber, offering a faster and more cost-effective option where poles are available. Micro-trenching is an innovative technique for urban areas, creating narrow cuts along the roadsides to install fiber quickly and with minimal disruption. Once the fiber is installed, technicians handle splicing, connecting the fiber strands, and conducting testing to ensure optimal performance. The result? A fiber network that powers high-speed internet, supports education, healthcare, and business development, and connects indigenous communities around the world. Fiber optic systems are essential for the future of connectivity. Refer to your EnerTribe handbook for more details, or reach out to our team for additional support. Together, we're building the backbone of connectivity for your community.